Okay, so what's up? Niabot na akong package. Basically, this is Ulanzi Smartphone Vlog Kit 2, Sairen VM-Q1 mic, Ulanzi MT-08 mini tripod, and Ulanzi. So yeah, I got this from Shopee, obviously. So let's go unbox. By the way, I'll be using this for my video vlogs, you know, while recording my videos. Okay, so well wrapped, well packaged with all the bubble wraps, you know. So I guess I have something to play with later. Okay. I'm afraid I might hit the camera, so just be patient. Okay. Daming tape. Please don't let me hit the camera. Okay. So again, video kit. Smartphone video kit, and this is the Joseph Paspe. What is this? The receipt, basically. Okay, so it's from 3rd floor Annapolis Tower. I don't know where that is, but anyway, it's the receipt. So we got Ulanzi. Kamu na bahala, boss. The barcode, SKU. So the brand, I think it's a Ching Chong brand. Okay, so let's open and let's see what's inside. Ooh. Okay, wala na ni. Labay na. So what's in the box? Oh, a bag. Okay, so wala na siya ilain, no? Pwede na pang sugba. Okay, so in the bag it says Ulanzi, of course the brand. Okay, so let's see what's in the bag. Wow. Okay, so of course we have the tripod. Murag sa ano sa ni. Wala to. How do you? Okay. Okay, so nagatilt siya. So this is where. So anyway, again the tripod. Nya na ta magkuri-kuri. The microphone with furry windshield. Okay, so this goes to the mic, of course. Okay, that I know. So the furry windshield, we have the foam windscreen, we have the tripod. Okay, we have the tripod. Shockproof. Okay. So we have of course, the cell phone holder. We have the, what do you call this? I don't know what the fuck this is. Okay, but I guess this goes here. Something like that. And the TRS to TRS cable. Okay, so this, it's tangled, so I'm very excited. I'm so excited and I just can't hide it. Okay, so we got 2 gold plated Ching Chong TRS cables. We have the pouch which says Sairen. I don't know how that's fucking read. So nothing in it. Okay, we have the silica gel. And of course the, what is this? Okay. Manual. Fuck. Fucking torn it. Okay, so the bag, that's all in a bag. Okay, that's the bag over there. Hey, yeah, no fucking. Okay. Okay. So we have the manual. Oh, okay. So where's? Oh, there's the mic. Silly me. So I thought I was missing the mic. So the mic was somewhat inserted in this furry windshield like that. So it says Sairen Q1. So here is the mic. Okay, so the cable goes in here. Mic check pa Tommy. Alright. So. Oh, okay. So let me set that up real quick. Okay. So the mic is here. Where is this? Oh, okay. Oops. Ay nahulog. Again, it's Ching Chong, as you can see. Guarantee card. Okay, I might be needing that later. Alright, so frequency, feature, specification, and all. Alright. So here's bundle. The bundle includes. Okay, so that's the microphone. I got the microphone. Nasa ko ang microphone. Shock mount kani. So we have the furry windshield. Yes, check. You have TRS, 2 TRS output, audio cable, and the storage bag. Oh, asang tripod. Wow, free ang tripod. Okay. Using the Sairen beam. Okay. Alright, so I guess mo lang ni siya tanan ang nadire. So i-try na ko set up with my phone. Okay, my phone is, I don't know what the fuck this is. S9. Bleh. Samsung S9 yata ni. Note 9. Ambot, kalimot ko. Inatag naman is ko. But anyway, I'll set this up with all this and then let's see. Okay, balik lang ko. Okay, so it's back and na-set up na ako. So ano siya. So mali rin ko. I thought this one kanina giputang na ako kanina dire. So actually phone holder sa, you know, the tripod and then the phone holder, mas screw siya dire. Okay, and then this one is kani siya okay, ma-loosen up, maluagan lang ni siya dire. Okay, like that, luag, and then tura. So slide lang siya. Slide and then ana. Okay. So for the kaning cellphone holder, so pwede siya ano, naka-screw siya tura. Ano din siya. Okay, so balik na to, no? Alright, so after ani, so nakita ninyo, no? So of course dito record ta, no? So layan natin record. Hello, mic test, hello. Okay, welcome. Hello vlog, welcome to my guys. Adobe. Okay. Oh, look at it. Ay, naka-mic. Dali lang. Naka-mic ko dahil. Dali lang. Sorry. Wala na ako natanggal ang mic.
Hello, Mike Tess. Mike Tess, hello. Okay, welcome. Hello, vlog. Welcome to my guys. Adobe.
Okay. So it's working. So yeah, I guess that's it. So for that, kung interesado mo, no? Ibutang na ko ang link sa shop na akong napalitan sa Shopee. Check out the description box, yo. So, once again, thank you very much and have a good one.